Hello everybody and welcome back to 3D Dev channel, Dragon 3D Dev channel. And today is devlog part 2. Yep, it's part 2. For the people that have already been watching, and I've saw a few views, so that's something I'm really liking at the moment. No promotion, nothing, and people have saw it. For the people that already saw it, there are some things that have been changed in this version. First off, I want to talk about that and maybe a change for in the future. I have tested a few things, and I'm gonna show you that in a for now. I've tested a few things if I can bring my project to 5.2. I have the engine installed, the preview to. I've did this for a few obvious reasons, and I want to test the other plugin that can be used to generate infinity worlds. That part I scratched for now because it's not working pretty decent, but the project is running flawlessly at this moment at 5.2, but it's still on the older version. So if I boot this up, this is what technically devlog 1 was. But for now I want to show you guys the changes that we have at devlog 1 and devlog 2. If I press play here, if I press my tab button, my inventory menu is working. I've changed the world for now, so I can make a bigger development world, and that's all of environment changes that I'm gonna make. I have the tree system here that I'm working on at this moment. For now, it's only working if I do it like this. Oh no, I've disabled it. And I've learned yesterday another way to do this with trace lining. So that's what I'm gonna do in this video. For now, I'm just gonna explain what I did for now. The inventory system is fully working at this moment. I can change this. Fully working for now that I want to. The drop one, drop all, and everything is working. It works for multiplayer also already, but now I have it at standalone mode. If I use it, as you can see, I've turned down the hunger system, but if I use it now, my hunger is going up, and it will go up there. But now it goes over 100, so that's something I need to change in the future. If I want to drop one, you saw it, the apple drops. So what you're gonna see in this video in the devlog 2, I'm gonna want to show you guys some development stuff that I'm going to do. I'm working with this tree system that I'm gonna rework completely because I've learned what I told you just a second ago about the trace lining. For now, what I have in this system is with the environment, I made an object with the tree system and with some information on it, or if the tree is falling down, with the timeline, how it works and how I want to fall it down, with the delays and everything else on it, and what if will happen if this system is working correctly. For now, I've disabled this part because I don't really know why I've disabled this part. Oh yeah, because I wanted to see if I can make it work on click, but there's a few other problems with there. That's why I'm going to work with trace lining. If I trace the line for where the character is wanted to click. So that's the goal of this video, that we're gonna use a trace line to do the damage to the tree and then delete it. But first we're gonna make a separate part of the a separate system for this part, because we have a lot of trees. We have a oak forest pack that we have from the Unreal Engine part. We have a lot of environment, and we can do a procedural generated terrain, so it will work with seeds. That's the goal for the full game, of course. And we have a bunch of trees here, and I can show you them for now if you guys are interested in that. So what I can do here, click on away for this. I can put this tree here, and this one. This will give it a second. It will load different in, and then you can see all the difference of trees and what we can do with it. As you can see, it will start lagging a little bit because it's big as hell, and it still needs to prepare the static mesh and the shaders and everything else on it. But yeah, these are the are all the trees that I can use for these types. This is something I can do for like the first part of the game, for the developer log, for the developer version. Oh, it worked. Yeah, you can see I'm also working on the item drops, but that would be in the future, so I'm not worried about that for now. But yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of trees here. Maybe I'm gonna make the trees a little bit smaller, or just this size is perfect. Well, I really don't know what type of environment I really want to build. The one problem is still like the shadows are really ugly. I need to work with the nanite system to make this be a little bit better and be a little bit more smoother and crustier and like better graphics for it. But like that's for the future to change that. But for now, I just want to make a developer world with the trees and with a world from around, I guess, around 4 kilometers long. For now, this is, I think, 1 by 1, so 1 kilometer long by 1 kilometer long. And if you walk around a little bit, yeah, you can see it will go down pretty easily. And with the developer world from 1 kilometer long, it will have the playability of it, with the tree system in it, with the food system in it. I'm gonna change the icons before I'm gonna release this version on Patreon. But as you can see, like this world is not that big. But I'm gonna build it a little bit like a planetary, an island system. Sorry, an island system. There are gonna be in this developer log 4 islands. I guess 4 islands, 4 different biomes, and with the different biomes you can play around, do a little bit of other stuff, and to do with it. Yeah, so in this video you're gonna see what I'm trying to do with the trees, that they will fall down. In a future devlog, I'm gonna change the trees that they will fall down, but the stem is gonna stay. So a little bit more like a real survival game. So you can see the difference of a tree that's here and a tree that's fallen down. Can you go away? Thank you, Emil. Fucking hell. But yeah, that's like the goal for this devlog, is that we're gonna fix the tree system. And that's gonna be on YouTube. That's something I'm gonna upload. The other video for tomorrow, for Friday, is a Project Zombie, a round-based zombie game. That's this part. Maybe I'm gonna reshoot the video, but like, or I'm gonna upload this. And this is for like the smaller game that I want to release in a month or so. So you guys have fun with a zombie shooter game. And that's the goal of that one, and it's a challenge video. I need to finish this game within a few periods of time, and I can only use certain things in the game engine that are only there. It's for me to learn, and it's for you guys to have fun with and to play and to view. Now, without further any complications anymore, I'm gonna cut the screen. You guys can see me work on the project. It's gonna be fasted, so it's gonna be sped up, and I will speak to you guys after that. And now I'm gonna speak to you guys while that's going on there, and we will see what's coming out of it. Yeah, so I'm gonna see you in a second, and yeah, enjoy the video. Okay, there's not a lot that I have to say today for the rest of the video. It's just the sped up video recording of what I've did on the devlog. If you want to see what has been changed really quick, you can skip to the last 5 minutes of the video. Around there you can see the last parts. When the video hits 20 minutes or so, then I'm at part 4, where I'm removing the tree system, And yeah, that's everything that we're making at this point. Yeah, at the end of that, I'm also saying that if you enjoyed the video and everything else, yeah, you can do what you want to do. But if you guys want to help me promote the game and get the game bigger and yeah, more polished and more qualified to be a game at the end of its process and end of his development life, that means that I'm ready to release the game, and then you guys can help me to join the Patreon. As you can see on the screen now, I'm working on the procedural mesh to build the trees here, and it works. So that's pretty cool to see. And now I'm adding more trees in here. There are a few things that I thought it could be better though, and to change a little bit more. Like what I saw here, that I could make more child actors instead of more different types of it, so I can use them more easily and quick. But for the change of it, I've done this like this for now. Yeah, in the next video you guys will see what I've done now. There's a lot of changes that I've already done. The item system works now. There will drop an item when the tree is destroyed. The destroy system is in at the end of this video, but in devlog number 3 you guys will see a lot of new changes. At the hope that I'm start working on the enemy system and on the animal system to get a little bit more food in the game, and I hope I have the crafting system done on the way in the way that I want to have the crafting system, and then we can focus on other things. And when that's done, when the crafting system is done, I'm gonna release the version on Patreon. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, enjoy the music, and yeah, I will see you at the end of the video. And so yeah, there we are at the end at the devlog video 2 for Project Wild. If you enjoyed the video, please press the like button. Jesus, I just sounded like something else. But Jesus, please press the like button. And if you ended up at the end of this video, you can press the subscribe button. If you want to help us grow the game where my thoughts are there, like where I want the game to be in the future, you can help us to be a member of our Patreon and start a subscription. And yeah, follow me there. Don't forget to subscribe here. Check me out on Twitch, because there I'm going there to live stream in a few hours, and I'm trying to stream there more often to build my Project Zombie game that I need to release in a few weeks as a free project game or something else like that, or a Patreon only game to help us with the funds of Project Wild. For now, that's it, and I want to thank you all for watching. Again, if you like what you see, press the subscribe button, and if you want to support us, check patreon.com. In the link in the description, every other information that you guys need is in the link in the description. And yeah, I want to see you later. Bye bye.